Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Masteric, the place to master all your tech needs. If you haven't yet subscribed, do it now and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our helpful tutorials. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to add a secondary axis to a chart in Excel, which can be particularly useful when dealing with two data series that have different scales. Let's jump in. Step 1. Open up your Excel spreadsheet and go to your existing chart. Step 2. Click on the chart to select it. When the chart is selected, two new tabs will pop up in the ribbon, Design and Format. Step 3. Click on the data series that you want to move to the secondary axis. This series will be highlighted. Step 4. In the Format Data Series pane that opens up, under Series Options, choose Secondary Axis. Step 5. Now, go back to the Design tab, click on Add Chart Element, hover over Axis, and then select Secondary Horizontal. You should now see your secondary axis on the chart, and your selected data series will follow this new axis. And there you have it. You've successfully added a secondary axis to a chart in Excel. This allows you to present data with different scales on the same chart effectively. Thanks for tuning in to How to Masteric. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and subscribe for more straightforward tech guides. Catch you in the next tutorial.